MProfit Investing Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to MProfit are in the description if you want to check it out. Now, let's get straight to the review. MProfit is a portfolio management and accounting software designed for investors, traders, family offices, and wealth managers. It simplifies investment tracking across multiple asset classes, including stocks, mutual funds, bonds, ETFs, real estate, and even alternative investments. One of its biggest advantages is automated data import. Users can seamlessly upload transaction statements from over 4,000 financial institutions, brokers, and mutual fund platforms, eliminating manual entry. A standout feature of MProfit is its detailed portfolio analytics. It provides real-time insights into asset allocation, performance trends, unrealized and realized gains, and tax implications. For investors looking for capital gains reporting and tax-ready statements, MProfit makes compliance easy, especially with its built-in support for various tax regulations. Another strong feature is its cloud-based accessibility. Unlike many traditional portfolio trackers, MProfit offers a seamless multi-device experience, allowing users to monitor and manage their investments from desktops, smartphones, and tablets. The ability to collaborate with advisors, accountants, or family members also adds value, making it ideal for those managing multiple portfolios. Despite its strengths, MProfit has some limitations. While it excels in portfolio management, it lacks advanced stock research and charting tools, meaning traders who rely on technical analysis might need a separate platform. Additionally, while it offers a free plan, serious investors and professionals will likely need the premium version to access full features, including automated data syncing and historical reporting. In summary, MProfit is a powerful portfolio management tool for long-term investors, wealth managers, and anyone looking to streamline investment tracking with automated reporting and tax compliance. If that fits your needs, it's worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing insights.